Why, hello, it's me, MrSasaki, and today we're doing Lully Gavotte from Suzuki Violin Book number 2, tutorial and playthrough. If you want the playthrough, use the chapters below and skip ahead tutorial. Warning, 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 I'm telling you, this long list is going to be exhaustive, but you know what? It's from years of experience of hearing the same mistakes from different students over the years. So if you can address these things now, it'll save you so much time later from having to relearn it. So here we go. I call this song the Texas toast form because we have two slices of Texas toast making a sandwich with the center being different. So we have 5 lines at the beginning, 5 lines at the end that are the same, and a center filling that is different. There's our Texas toast sandwich. Just be aware. Bowings. We have to pay attention to the double up bows. Specifically, well, I'll show you what they look like here. They look like upside down smiley faces. They're marked there, but I like to mark the double V's. These happen in 3, 5, 6, 17, 35, 39, 40, and 51. Mark them if you need them. I think it's important. Students make mistakes all the time and do separate bows. It's up, up. Next we have bow circles and retakes. Same thing. Measures 8, 21, 34, and 42. I like to draw the circle with the arrow. Good to know. Breath marks. Alright, so breath marks. We have a bunch of breath marks here. We have like these like little apostrophes or commas floating in the air. Just the thing to know about those, whether you have a bow circle or not, in front of it, is the note in front of that apostrophe breath mark. Play it shorter than the printed value, and make sure that the next note after it is on beat and in tempo. That's all I'm going to say about that. Don't take any extra time, just make sure that it's on beat when you continue. We have the pickups from measures 9 to 12. Alright, it's just beautiful, and we get to play on the G string, but it has some string crossings and tricky rhythms. Here we are. I'm going to play it under tempo. So pay attention to that. Practice it faster so that you can really hear it. I'll play it at normal speed so you can hear it. Okay, it's a little bit tricky. Get it, and it's worth it. Measures 22 and 26. Okay, we have extension 4s. Now this is in beat 2 specifically. So we're going to have 3 with the line underneath it, and that means that 3 is your bass. You're going to hold it down while you do 3. Extension 4 is a half step higher than regular 4. Then pull back to regular 4. So 3, extension 4, 4, 3. So it's good to kind of just practice that and make sure you pivot on the 3. The measures that follow those are the next point of contention. So we have measures 23 and 27. So we have high 2 with a low 1. So we have... Make sure you get that. Unusual sounding and feeling. Playing the previous 4 notes before that, we have 3, extension 4, 4, 3, high 2, low 1, E. Okay, so... Okay, practice that until you can get it smooth and in tune, and you'll be good. Again, this whole section moves quickly, so you want to make sure you can get it slowly and then speed it up and get it better and faster. Measures 29 to 34, we have A4 and D1. Both pitches are E, different octaves. We want to make sure those octaves match the open E string and in pitch, okay? So we have 29. Make sure that they match the open E, okay? That 1 and the 4. So, I think we've come to the time for trills. The first time we're ever going to do trills. It's going to be exciting, okay? So here's the trill marking. TR, look at that, in fancy print. So that means you tap your finger as fast as possible. What we have is the TR over B or first finger on A. Right? So what the TR means is that we tap as fast as we can the pitch above it within the key signature. In this case, it's going to be a low 2 or C natural. Yeah, if you want to see what it looks like here, they have it printed out. And they have just a visual interpretation. Da 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 bum bum. Those are with 16th notes. You can play them with triplets. You can play them with 8th notes. As long as you're doing some sort of tapping between 1 to 2, you're good. If you can add more than those 16ths, then that's great. So if you can do, that's fine, but what they have is, if you want to do less, whatever you can handle, but ideally the faster the better for that. Time for the playthrough. So here we go! So for the playthrough, we have allegretto as our tempo marking with grazioso as our expression marking. Grazioso means graceful. So here we go. So bum bum ba da da dum bum ba dee da 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 da. 1, 2, 1. Okay, how'd you do? Let me know in the comments below. If you found value in it, like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next piece. Bye!